Hey everybody, welcome to another video of Watch Me Trade the NQ. Let's see, we had five sessions on the 15th. We finished out the day somewhere around 2:30. We started off, so the 15th was a Monday. We started that off with 35,000 and we finished with 8,100 profit for the day. So that brought us to 43,100. And I typically don't like to trade past 2 o'clock. Bad things happen, or bad things happen to me uh, more often than not. So I'm going to skip the rest of the sessions or last half hour, whatever it is, of the 15th and jump to the 16th. So this is now the next day. And we'll start off at 8:30. Whoa, let's just do 8:30 in the morning. And we'll kind of continue off with the balance that we had yesterday. So let's see what happens. Kind of give you a lay of the land. We have 5 minute, 1 hour on the bottom left here, and then 2 tick charts. And let's kind of see what's going on over here. Okay, we've got some levels that we drew from previous sessions. Looks like we can draw a couple more here. So on the 1 hour, we can probably draw a line up at the top. This defines a level for us. Here's a couple things here. I don't like to have too many lines, so what I wind up doing is just moving some of them around, like some of the lines that might be too far away for now. And if we need them, like if this price comes down here, we'll just move some stuff around, right? And then not going to mark anything here. This is kind of in the middle of a range. So we've got that, this here, that there. I don't know about, oh yeah, that one there. That looks good for now. I'll leave this one here. Look at that one. That's something significant. Where is that? 13,500. Yeah, figures. Okay, so it's not that great to trade right away, but let's see what happens here. So we've got the opening range is forming right now. Let's see, where did we leave off at? So we're kind of where the close was yesterday. So we're moving on up. And then how are we momentum wise? Well, these on the 5 minute are kind of a little on top of each other. So we had a pretty good move up here. So this right now is momentum longish. This is momentum long on the 1 hour. And these are kind of So let's see. What are we thinking is going to happen? So long term, we're going up, but we're at a stall area where it's essentially been just kind of going sideways since 10 in the morning or 11 in the morning yesterday. So almost 24 hours of sideways action. So this could flip. We'll see what it wants to do here. So anything that we get into right now, we can't be stuck on it and ride it out. We got to be prepared to bail. So since 7 in the morning, so for the last an hour and a half, we're kind of heading lower. Could have been a good area like right around here to short. And I'm trading NQ, by the way. I don't recall if I mentioned that. So let's see, there's a level that's kind of formed over here at 630. Yeah, look at that. There's been a couple hits. So, I mean, we're probably edging down towards that. What does that align with? It aligns with a bunch of other levels here. How far do we get? So right here we're at 634. So it's 4, 5, 6 points off. That's not very much. That's a nice big green candle. Let's take a look at the candles here. Biggest candle of late is this one here. That was at 7:30 in the morning, which caused us to go short, and it's stuck. It's stuck for the last hour. This one here tried to get up, didn't even get like halfway. For this one, I got close. So we'll dip our toes in the water. Kind of leery about doing two. I really feel like doing single contracts, but we'll see. So if we get picked up here, we need to bail ASAP. Take profits if it gets down here. And hopefully it doesn't rip up. It looks like we might have missed it. Too close to this level. We'll move the top one down. Let's see what happens. You got to do better than that. It's very risky to do this. So what do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Would have been better to get in up here. Doesn't look like it's showing much that's going to go down further. Testing here and rip down. So right around here is a good spot for it to reverse. Somewhere here between 35 and maybe 30. Test some lower levels. Maybe get down as far as 600. We're thinking about maybe here. Got to be patient. Can do a little bit better. Come on. Ooh, don't like that. Not very talkative today. It's late. I spent a good part of the day working on the intro video that you should have seen at the beginning of this. So I'm just going to probably do this trade here, hopefully be done by 9 o'clock. So maybe within another 15 minutes, that'll give us like half an hour of content on here. Hopefully this will be a good trade. And I'm inclined to bail on this thing. I don't like this. And it doesn't like me. Which means as soon as I get out, it'll probably rip. reversal right there. Go down. Let's see, what did we say? Around 600. See if it gets there. And keeps playing with our break-even point there. Go, 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 go. Yeah, that looks good. Show us how low can you go. So I could get out of here, like right around here for 6. That'll bring my average up to about here at 27. So that'll make things a little bit better. It'll reduce our risk, of course, and profit, but I might have just missed that. And I just don't like how long this is taking. I think we need to not be greedy, or I need to not be greedy and just get out of this thing and then get an opportunity to start over. So here, we'll move this up here. And be prepared to jet. And do a nice rip down. We're edging lower. We're momentum short. Shortish. Short. Not short. Don't like that. Couple green candles here. I don't like at all. Hopefully it's kind of a fake out and it's going to rip down. But it's a couple tests of this area here. Ooh, nice big red. Keep going. So where are we? We formed a range over here, and we're kind of like right in the middle. That's no good. How does that always happen? One of the mysteries of the world. So these indicators here, these lines are like right on top of each other. Not great. Come on, rip down, test the low, take us out. We'll start over. It got us. All right. Hey, look at that, right at the end of that wick, and now it's going to tear down. That's usually what happens. But still, how do we do? Yeah, 1500. Not bad. 1500 in 10 minutes. And then, yeah, we should have stayed in that. But here, I'm going to call it right here. I mean, this is a pretty good start, right? 10 minutes, 1500 bucks. I'll continue this. I'll probably start at 9 o'clock in the next session tomorrow. Thanks for watching, everybody. Let's see, did I need to go over anything? 100% winning trades. All those were good. And yeah. So where were we? 43,100. So this puts at 44,600. And all right, thanks for watching, everybody.